If you're a high earner approaching retirement, or you've recently retired after a high income career, you may have heard about and be wondering, should I be doing Roth conversions? Or how do I convert without creating a huge tax bill? Roth conversions can be a very powerful tool, but they work best when they're done with a plan, not as a one-time move. At Waltman Capital, we help our clients evaluate if a Roth conversion is an appropriate tool to use as part of their holistic financial strategy, tying together taxes, retirement income, and investments. Let's start with the basics. What is a Roth conversion? A Roth conversion is when you move money from a pre-tax retirement account, like a traditional IRA, into a Roth IRA. You'll typically owe income taxes on the amount converted, but the potential payoff is that Roth assets can grow and be withdrawn tax-free later, as long as IRS rules are met. So, in short, you pay taxes now to hopefully reduce taxes later and gain more flexibility. Why Roth conversions particularly matter for high earners is because high earners often build large balances in traditional IRAs, rollover IRAs, and pre-tax 401ks. It was great during the high income tax rates of their career, and it was great for saving, but it can lead to a common issue. Big pre-tax accounts can create bigger taxes later. And over time, those large pre-tax balances can mean higher taxable income in retirement than you expected, or less control of your tax bracket, and more pressure from required minimum distributions. A Roth conversion strategy can help reduce that future pressure by shifting some of your savings into Roth gradually. Most people don't need to convert everything. The smartest approach is often a multi-year conversion plan. What we like to look at is converting an amount that fills up a target tax bracket, whatever works best for your lifetime tax situation, without spilling into the next one. This could help you potentially lower lifetime taxes, reduce your future RMD impact, and create more tax flexibility in retirement. The biggest mistake that we often see is people trying to convert too much in 1 year. They get really excited about Roth conversions, but Roth conversions add to your taxable income. If you convert too aggressively, you have ripple effects like higher tax brackets, losing certain deductions or benefits due to income phase-outs, increasing IRMA, or just simply creating a tax bill that you don't have cash for. That's why Roth conversions work best as a strategy, not a guess. And that was one key requirement there. Have a plan to pay the tax. A Roth conversion usually comes with a tax bill, and it's important to know where the funds are coming from. In many cases, it's more tax efficient to pay the tax using cash outside of your retirement account, so the amount converted stays invested and working for you long term. The real benefit with Roth conversions is not just tax-free money, it's flexibility. When you have money spread across pre-tax accounts, Roth accounts, and taxable accounts, you may be able to control your taxable income more intentionally year by year. And that flexibility can help you fund that bucket list trip, that new car you unexpectedly need, or support a family member without worrying about the tax impact as much. Roth conversions can be a powerful strategy for high earners approaching retirement, especially when you want to reduce future tax pressure and increase flexibility. But they're not for everyone. We see plenty of situations where a Roth conversion is not advisable, and the goal isn't to convert everything. It's to convert the right amount over multiple years with a plan that fits your full financial picture. Do you want some help building a Roth conversion strategy? At PY Waltman, we help clients evaluate if a Roth conversion makes sense for their situation. And if it does, we coordinate Roth conversions with their broader financial plan, tax strategy, retirement income, and investment management. So every decision supports the bigger goal, their life. If you're considering Roth conversions, reach out to us and let's build a plan that's intentional, tax aware, and built for long-term flexibility so that you can live a life you love.